Hi everyone! Hello to all my viewers. So for today's video I'm going to show you my most awaited parcel. Yes, this is my most awaited because it takes a lot of time to deliver it here, and right now it's already arrived. So we are going to unbox this parcel from Shopee. What are you waiting for? Let's go! Okay, so let's open. I'm super excited, guys. I mean, super duper excited with this one. What do you think is inside of this box? Ooh. It is. Leave a comment down below. Leave a comment there. This is the. This is what you call. This is the most awaited part. It's for sealed, and then we're going to open. Okay. Ah, guys, yes, it's true. This is a cell phone from one of my viewer, Mr. Alex. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, this is his second phone that he gave to me because the first phone is I cannot do live stream, so I give it to my mother. So this one is Techno Spark 50 5G. Thank you, Mr. Alex. This is very big help for me. This would be my backup phone because my backup phone I'm going to give it to my sister. Oh my god. Thank you so much. I'm so happy, guys. So we are going to unbox again. We are going to open this one. Oh my god, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yeah. Wow, super sealed. Wait. Viola. So this is the Techno Spark 50 with this inclusion here. 6,500 mAh, 45 watts supercharging, and 50 MP flash snap, military grade. So this one. Oh, OMG. So we're going to open. And guess what is the color I choose? Guys. It's purple! Yes, I choose purple because para maiba naman. I want something unique. Because before, I just always buy color black. So this time, I'm gonna buy purple. Yes! Ubi purple. And right now, look at the camera here. This time. And then we're going to open. No. By the way, there is an inclusion of guys, there is an inclusion of the phone case. Look how it is so cute. So I'm gonna put it here. Wait. This is really from Techno official store. I'm already set up everything. And then there is a free connector charger. So that's it, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. So I'm so thankful, guys. Thank you so much, Mr. Alex. May God bless you always. Thank you for this phone. This is very useful, guys, because I'm doing live stream. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I'm going to set it here. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Alex. May God bless you always. Thank you for this. I have new phone, guys. Guys. Thank you. Please, thank you for watching. Bye.